time no see. I know it's been a bit. So the last video I posted was on Christmas, so it's been almost 6 months, which is kind of crazy. I really can't make excuses. Yeah, it was just senior year was really difficult. I mean, like, I had a lot going on all the time. I got a new job. I don't know if I've talked about that. Yeah, life just kind of grabbed me and yeah, I don't know what to say. So I would like to apologize for that, but hopefully I can be back on my game soon. Fingers crossed. Hopefully I will have some more content for you guys soon. Maybe like an apartment, like college apartment haul, because I'm living in an apartment next year and I have a lot of stuff for that. Just the struggle is getting it all up here, honestly. So if you couldn't tell already, sorry for the super long intro, but today's video is a makeup collection because since my last one I've gotten a lot of new makeup. The obsession has only grown further, except I need to stop because I'm killing my bank account and I need to save money for my rent. If you want to see my makeup collection, then just keep on watching. Alright, so right here, this is like my little make-do vanity. It's just like this cute organizer. So on top I have my makeup brushes in these two little bins from Target. So I've got my face brushes on the left side and my eye brushes on the right. Nothing too fancy. I have more brushes somewhere else, but those are just like my main ones that I use. And then panning over here, the micellar water is the Garnier Fructis one. So then for palettes, I have the Anastasia Glow Kit, the Sugar Glow Kit. Looks like that. The Sun Dipped one, which looks like this. And then I have this Too Faced palette. Honestly, I just have it out because it looks pretty. This is from a holiday collection forever ago. Then I have my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is the OG palette. And then right here I have my Just Peachy Mattes palette, which is really pretty. And this little organizer is from Target. Coming down here, I just have a few skincare products. And then right here I have like my everyday makeup, so I will lower you guys and show you that. Alright, so here are these little drawers. These are from Amazon. I can link them down below. They're a little bit gross, but that's okay. So in this top drawer right here, I have some everyday blushes. So I have MAC Warm Soul, my NARS blush and Orgasm, Benefit Rockateur, Tarte, I want to say Risque, and then MAC Melba. Here I have some highlighters, just a few. So I have Wet n Wild Precious Petals, e.l.f., and then I have the Kylie Glow in King and the Artist Couture highlighter. And then in here I have two Becca highlighters, Champagne Pop and Opal. And then I have the Stila one in Kitten along with the Fenty Beauty one. This Fenty Beauty one is in the shade Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. And I also have these little mini Cover FX drops. I think they're the Sunlight shade. And then right here I have some this little beauty blender from Eco Tools. And then in these little lip containers I've got like random liquid lipsticks, so like Ciate London, a chapstick. I have a few little Kylie minis like these ones right here. This Tarte one. They're just random because I don't know what to put here, so I just have them. And then I've got more chapstick, more Kylie minis. These are all my Kylie mini ones. So this one right here is my eye drawer. So in here I have the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and then I have the Stila Glitter and Glows, and then right here I have my favorite MAC shadow in Floof. This Wet n Wild shadow, Urban Decay shadows, more MAC. I have two of these Wet n Wild liquid cat suits. I just got these not too long ago. This little MAC duo that I made, NARS. This Butter London one I just got. Then in this drawer I have some brow products and whatnot. So I've got also mascara. So I've got a few Benefit brow products, another lid primer, sharpener, roller lash. It's my dip brow. This is the one I've been using in the shade Soft Brown. This drawer is packed with lip products, so if you guys want a lip product collection, let me know. I can do that. It'll just take a long time. And then in this drawer I have my Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer, my current foundation, Smashbox Primer, a little mini primer back here, and then a Wet n Wild powder. And here I have Laura Mercier powder, Dermablend, and then a few concealers like ColourPop, Maybelline, CoverGirl, Makeup Revolution, Too Faced. And then in here I have some bronzers. So I have my Marc Jacobs one, and then I have my Hoola Butter Bronzer in the Too Faced like little shimmery heart one. Alright, so right here are my Alex 9 drawers, but I have this little jewelry organizer, this candle holder, another candle holder, and then I have this picture of me and my friend Claudia. And then here is the first drawer. It's kind of a mess, not gonna lie. Alright, so I tried to show you to the best of my abilities, but in this organizer I have foundations, powders, and all that stuff. So in the back I have my L'Oreal foundations. These break me out, but I have them just in case. And then I have this Tarte foundation, and then some like random stuff that I really need to declutter. So if you want that video, let me know. I've got my Maybelline Fit Me powder, which is pretty much gone. My Coty Airspun powder, which I don't like. And then I have some more foundations. So I have Rainforest of the Sea, Too Faced Born This Way, Makeup Forever, don't like stick foundations. NARS Natural Radiant, I love this foundation, but it's not my shade. The new Maybelline one, and then this Tarte one. I haven't tried it yet. Then I have concealer, so I have this little LA Girl one right here. Maybelline, Kat Von D, CoverGirl, NYX. This I also really need to declutter, but I just haven't gotten to it. My Shape Tape concealers are in my car right now. And then I've got more Wet n Wild foundations right here. I've got beauty blenders here. And then I have primers, 2 Becca First Light primers, a Becca Backlight primer, the Becca Poreless one, and then Benefit and Maybelline. Now into this drawer. Back here I have Wet n Wild. I don't really like this one. Makeup Revolution. And then I have this NYX one that I don't like. And then I have the Maybelline Master Liquid, which I do like. And then right here I have the Physicians Formula one. I have some more Makeup Revolutions that I don't like. 2 Essence Pure Nudes. Then I have Becca Snow and Becca Rose Gold. Then I have this Laura Mercier Wet n Wild Gold Bar. More Wet n Wild. All of these right here are Wet n Wild. And then the cushion one from them. High Beam, full size and mini. What's Up highlighter from Benefit. This Tarte one. Then I have the ColourPop one in here, Kitty Kitty. The Milani highlighter in 01 Afterglow. Pixie Aspen Ovard and Tarte Stunner highlighter. And then I have liquids, so I have Benefit Girl Meets Pearl, Clinique, Chubby Stick highlighter, more Cover FX drops. These are the Celestial ones. And then this Pure palette. Alright, right here is blush and bronzer. So I've got this Wet n Wild one that I do enjoy. And then this Wet n Wild one, which is okay. Tarte Park Avenue Princess. NYX one. This Kat Von D powder, that's too dark. And then NYC Smooth Skin. This looks like a dark chocolate Soleil or maybe regular chocolate Soleil. Wet n Wild cushion. Right here I have 2 of these Maybelline contour highlighting sticks. NYX Illuminator. NYX blush, this Maybelline concealer that I can use for contouring, a Tarte one, Posy tint from Benefit. I really need to get rid of some of this. This NYX blush and bronzer duo, Milani blush, Tarte blush, Frat Boy by The Balm, Too Faced, I love this one, Milani Luminoso, my favorite drugstore blush. This NARS one that's like, look at this guys, what was I thinking? And then 2 mini Tartes, and then this one from IBY. And then I have these 3 Benefit box powders. So Sugar Bomb, Coralista, and Bella Bamba. Alright, so this is my eye drawer. So right here I have some like random eyeshadows. Pretty much all of this needs to be decluttered, but I just have not gotten to it yet. I've got like different Wet n Wild, CoverGirl, just like so much random stuff that I need to get rid of. And then here I have this like NYX glitter, some primers, some NYX jumbo sticks. Some of these are new, some old. Profusion makeup. This NARS eyeshadow primer has got to be like 5 or 6 years old. NYX glitter primer. This is actually pretty new. And then right here I have a Essence blue shadow that I actually kind of like for a pop of color. This ColourPop single that I don't enjoy. Urban Decay. This shadow is so cool. It's like, it looks green, but it doesn't really show up this color. And then I've got Milani, more MAC. These are all Kylie cream shadows. I've got some NYX glitters, Wet n Wild, Bare Minerals. And then in the back is honestly more stuff I need to declutter. Here I have mascaras. So I got this like little lash kit. And then these are the only mascaras that I'm even like remotely gonna use. Like I actually might declutter these ones besides this. And then here I have brow products. I have these like brow powders, some Anastasia, more Benefit stuff, NYX. This like little brush from Kylie, that's an eyeliner brush. I have this e.l.f. one, and then I have more mascaras I need to declutter along with some eyelashes back here. And right here I have eyeliner. So this I honestly don't even want to try to go through. It's just crazy. There's so many. I've got like Stila, Mally, Profusion, more Stila, NYX, Urban Decay, Kat Von D, all this stuff. It's crazy. So right here I have mostly Kylie. I think there's maybe 3 ColourPop and then this 1 random one, but most of these are Kylie's. And then here I have some random lipsticks. So I've got a few like minis down here that you can't even see. If you want a lipstick collection, please let me know. Like MAC, Dior, Buxom, Wet n Wild, all these different brands. More Kylie minis. this little Tarte set that I just got. Kylie lip liners, extra Kylie lip ones that I already have right here, a lip scrub. Then in here I have more random stuff like NARS, a whole bunch of these NYX mini soft mattes, some lip glosses, some drugstore lipsticks. I also would like to do an updated palette collection if you guys want. I have 2 full drawers of palettes if you want to see it. But I'll just kind of like name some off. So we've got like Kylie, Stila, Pixie, Profusion, ColourPop, Tarte, Anastasia, Marc Jacobs. There's some Urban Decay down there, Tarte, Morphe, Tarte, Violet Voss, more Morphe, lots of Morphe right here. Too Faced, IT Cosmetics, more Naked, more here. This one's completely packed. So we have Anastasia, Tarte, some Kylie, Too Faced, ColourPop right here, more ColourPop, Tarte, Makeup Forever, Milani. This is my everyday Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Love this thing so much, as you can probably see. We've got Lorac, the Balm, Anastasia, Too Faced, Anastasia, more Too Faced, more Anastasia. These are like all mumbled jumbled right here. Urban Decay Nakeds right here, Kylie, Cargo, and Anastasia Cream Contour. This drawer is completely full, so if you guys want to see like insides of palettes and like a full in-depth collection, then please comment down below. And then this drawer is just a total mess, so it's like some setting sprays and face masks in here, but yeah. So that is pretty much all of it, I guess. So if you want more in-depth collections like a highlighter, eyeshadow palette collection, anything lip collection, let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys liked it, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button.